Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce Guide is a comprehensive tool that helps you understand your customers' shopping behavior and optimize your e-commerce website for better performance. To get started with enhanced e-commerce, you need to have a Google Analytics account and the e-commerce tracking code installed on your website. First step is to enable enhanced e-commerce in your Google Analytics account. Go to the admin section and click on e-commerce settings under the view column. Click the toggle button next to enable e-commerce and enhanced e-commerce reporting. Next step is to set up the tracking code on your website. You can use Google Tag Manager to install the tracking code or manually add it to your website. The tracking code needs to be installed on every page of your website to track user interactions. Now let's talk about the different types of e-commerce data that can be tracked using enhanced e-commerce. Product impressions are tracked when a user views a product on your website. Product clicks are tracked when a user clicks on a product. Add to cart and remove from cart actions are also tracked. You can also track checkout steps and transactions. This data can be used to analyze your sales funnel and identify areas where users are dropping off. To analyze e-commerce data in Google Analytics, go to the Conversions section and click on E-commerce. Here you can view data on product performance, sales, and revenue. You can also analyze data on checkout behavior and transactions. Best practice is to use the data to identify trends and patterns in user behavior and make data-driven decisions to optimize your e-commerce website. Use the data to identify which products are performing well and which ones need improvement. Use the checkout behavior data to identify areas where users are dropping off and make changes to improve the user experience. By following these steps and using the data to optimize your e-commerce website, you can improve user experience and increase sales and revenue. Enhanced e-commerce in Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into user behavior and helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize your e-commerce website.